Top 9 nutrients that prevent or reverse gray hair. Number 1. Folic acid. Also known as folate, this B vitamin is often used to increase hair growth and plays a big role in hair color too. When it's not busy stimulating the rebuilding of hair follicle cells and stopping hair from falling out, folate finds time to stop your strands from turning gray too. To get the benefits, make sure you're getting enough folate in your diet. Kale, beets, green peas, Brussels sprouts, and kohlrabi all contain it, as do halibut, eggs, and poultry. Number 2. Vitamin B5. Yet another member of the B vitamin family, this multi-talented micronutrient goes to work overtime for your hair. Taking care of growth, moisture, and calming inflammation are just some of its duties at the scalp level. B5 is involved in melanin production too, one reason why it helps prevent hair from turning gray. And B5 actually goes a step further than folate. Not only does it prevent gray, it can restore your natural hair color too. You can find vitamin B5 in whole grains, beans, mushrooms, eggs, cauliflowers, and leafy greens. Number 3. Copper. We don't hear much about this mineral, but it has an important role to play in keeping hair from going gray before its time. Like the B vitamins above, copper also helps in hair growth and strength, and when our levels run low, brittle hair that goes gray easily can be the result. You can get your daily dose of copper in leafy greens, poultry, or fish, as well as pistachios, dried apricots, and figs. Number 4. Iron. This mineral is crucial for healthy hair, period. Many women are low on iron due to the blood loss that happens in menstruation, making iron deficiency the most common deficiency in the world. Low iron can wreak havoc on your hair, causing everything from slow growth to thinning, hair loss, and premature graying. To keep your iron levels up, make sure foods like spinach, eggs, peaches, kale, and red peppers are on regular rotation on your kitchen table. Number 5. Calcium. As well as being a key mineral in our bones, calcium is also an important part of our hair. A study that looked at premature gray hair in Egypt found a negative correlation between calcium and iron levels and gray hair in the group of under 30s examined. Supplementation with calcium, along with iron and copper, slowed and reversed the progression of premature gray hair. Calcium is found in kale, parsley, fish, dairy products, walnuts, and cabbage. Number 6. Zinc. Zinc is another mineral that influences the whole hair building process. When the diet is low in zinc, hair growth slows down and shedding, thinning, brittleness, and pigment loss start to occur. You can stop all that by getting your zinc in fish, meat, or pumpkin seeds. Number 7. Vitamin D. The importance of vitamin D for everything from your bones to your brain, kidneys, immune system, and beyond is regularly highlighted in the media. What's less known is vitamin D's impact on our hair. Vitamin D kickstarts the growth phase of the hair cycle and is often found to be low in people with alopecia. Deficiency in vitamin D is also linked to premature gray hair. If you get enough sunlight, your body will make its own vitamin D. But for people living in countries with less sunshine, that's not enough, especially if you have medium to dark skin, which protects from sunlight. Taking in vitamin D from food or supplements is crucial to prevent deficiency. Your best food sources for vitamin D are meat, poultry, dairy products, oily fish like mackerel or salmon, as well as eggs, mushrooms, and yeast. Number 8. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is essential for protein synthesis and red blood cells, and is thought by scientists to play a key role in the hair follicle. A study in India on people with premature gray hair found that compared with subjects without grays, those with gray hair were low in both vitamin B12 and folic acid. Vitamin B12 is only naturally present in animal products like poultry, meat, fish, milk, and eggs. Number 9. Methionine. This isn't a vitamin or a mineral, it's an essential amino acid. As well as being vital for keratin production, studies show that L-methionine can slow the onset of gray hair by fighting oxidative stress. You can get L-methionine and your other essential amino acids in protein-rich foods like legumes, pistachios, peanuts, dairy, whole grains, eggs, meat, and poultry.